Hi friends, today we are going to see about how the wastegate working on turbocharger and what is the use of wastegate and how it is working. These three are we going to see about. Okay. Before you need to know about wastegate, you need to know about the turbocharger working because it is used in turbocharger to activate the wastegate. Okay, let's see friends. This is the turbocharger. Okay, you know basic concept of turbocharger. It have two sections, one turbo section and another one is compressed section. These two sections. Okay, if we see the cast iron material, okay, cast iron, this is coupled with this flange is coupled with the engine exhaust flange, and this compressed section is connected to its maybe intercooler or inlet manifold and then engine. This is the sequence. In some automobile that have no intercooler, straight it connected to inlet manifold and through engine. Okay, this is atmospheric air inlet. Okay, this is the turbocharger. Okay, how wastegates usually in automobile. Okay, wastegates are an activator. Okay, in engine runs in critical RPM or above its limits. Beyond its example, it's about 10k RPM. That kind of RPM, engine create excess amount of boost. You see, the higher amount of exhaust gas in higher amount of RPM, 10k RPM above, engine push through higher gas through this turbine section. Higher exhaust gas means higher spinning of turbine and compressor section. Higher spinning means higher amount of boosting produced on it. Okay, this is the concept. In this concept, higher amount of boosting cause main problem. In case of it may blow our intercooler, inlet manifold, may causes engine failure. Okay, how to, this is danger when over boosting period. Okay, this is why how we to prevent means wastegate are used to prevent the over boosting. Okay, this is the we used wastegate in automobile. If you see, this is usually diesel commercial vehicles only. Okay, okay, this is the turbocharger wastegate. Okay, this, the upper part are connected with one air circulation. Okay, this is benzo bolt. Okay, and then this is upper part consists of diaphragm and the lower part consists of spring chamber and bottom have push rod, and then it is coupled with turbocharger holes. Okay, this is the wastegate principle. This is how it is made. Okay, in engine how it is work means in peak RPM exhaust gas go through mean higher RPM engine create over boosting. The higher amount of spinning causes large amount of suction air, and then it compressed through this housing and then go through. Okay, in this period they have a one benzo bolt holes. Okay, in this hole, this is benzo bolt. This is coupled with this and then this washer also. Okay, in this time higher amount of air will go through this benzo bolt and then this spring, and then it activate this vacuum diaphragm, and then it activated means the spring will be pushed down, and the spring will be pushed down means push rod also move down. Okay, push rod will move down means this is the push rod, and then push rod is coupled with this activator. Okay, how when engine got over boosted means it activated means, then it activated means just see when the push rod activated this valve, then it bypass valve will be opened, then higher amount of exhaust gas go through this and then overflow it bypass the exhaust gas, not go through the turbine section, directly it bypass through the exhaust. So this is how boosting will be stopped. when the push rod activated this valve, then it will be opened. Okay, if it closed means the exhaust shall go through the turbine and spin the turbine, it will start booted. If it's not push rod activated means, you see the exhaust gas will go through this bypass. Okay, this is the working of wastegate. Let's see friends how the working is. If you see there is no see means that overflow the thanks friends watching. If you got any doubt means just ask in comment frankly. Give support if you understand it, plus like. Thanks friends.